Hello, my beauties and my gentlemen. I hope you all are doing well today. I am super excited. I got my hands on the new Sky High Lash Sensational Mascara by Maybelline. This is apparently like the hot new mascara, and I found this at Ulta. So let's get right into it. I typically do not like these like flexible type of wands. I like the natural bristle brushes, but I really wanted to try this out. So nice and big, pretty colors. This is what the wand looks like. Apparently it's supposed to be pretty flexible. So I have a mirror right here. I'll zoom you all in and then I will apply. So this is supposed to be like the best mascara ever. So that's one. That's done. This is not done. So I'll dip it in here again. Go for my left eye. It does have really good movement. I do say you can see it moving along with my eyelash. Okay, so that's one very, very generous layer. So let's go in for one more coat. Okay, so that's two coats on my right eye and one coat on my left eye. I feel so weird like staring at the camera. I'm really just going to put on a lot. Like, what the heck? So that is two coats. So what do you all think? I think it's okay. It's a little clumpy for me. I typically like more natural looking mascaras, but let's just do one more just for fun. Like if I'm going to go all the way, this is apparently like fake eyelashes good. This is my third coat. It's definitely dark. I think this is pretty lengthening. Probably a third coat was a bad idea. It's pretty clumpy. It almost looks like I'm wearing black eyeliner. I am on the bottom, but not on the top. This is the third coat on the left eye. I don't typically do my bottom lashes, but for the sake of this video, I will. I think it just gets all over underneath my eyes by the end of the day if I do my bottom lashes. They're super, super sparse. So that is my review of the Maybelline Sky High. It's not the worst mascara. I probably should have not used 3 coats. Do I think that this is the best mascara ever? No, I honestly don't. It's medium. I do like the flexible tip. However, I just don't like silicone brushes. So if they could have like a natural bristle brush, like the Damn Girl or something like that, and have this flexibility, I think it would be good. I do think it gives almost like a fake eyelash appearance, but let me know what you all think. If you think that's too clumpy or looks good, or I went a little heavy-handed, but I hope you all enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.